Hello, everyone. We're back. Um, Doing a review on this Vevor. Um, it's a a trailer for kids, bike kid trailer thing. Let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Okay, so it's like it's unboxed here. Let's see if we can intuitively kind of figure this out without the instructions. I'm thinking these wheels, they just they have like a groove in the shaft right here. So I think they're probably interchangeable, but it has like a shaft here to put it in, and it has like a push pin. So it looks like you're just going to put that in there, and then do the push pin, and it's going to hold it right in there. Looks like this might have a cap on there. Okay, I think that comes off of there, because otherwise this wasn't fitting. So yeah, that comes off because this is a brake and it goes into. So you take the little pegs off. Okay. Rotate it around. Do that one. Just push this the pin, and it locks it in place. So that's really easy there. The construction feels nice and solid. So it's got a little Velcro thing here that put this on in the back. You can see that. This flap comes up. It's got a Velcro thing here. It's got a little thing you just put in right there, and cinch it up. Okay, looks like it's got more Velcro back here. So it's got some nice reflectors on there, and this just folds over here like this. Okay, and then you can put the window up or down. Oh, very nice. Okay, and it has little things to, if you want to roll this up, you can, and Velcro it on there. Super easy. Yeah, that was really easy actually. And then the last thing we need to do is yeah, we'll just do the the front part here, and I think it's just going to be simple matter of just unscrewing this, moving it around, and then putting the pin back in. So we'll do that real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So just focusing on this part right here. So we're just going to take the pin out. So they've designed it where I didn't even see that you don't need to take this off. You can just rotate it. They got like a bit here with the plastic that they've cut into it, so it's got a place where it can rotate actually. So that's a really nice feature actually. Cool. Just put this back. Yeah, that's really cool. So then we'll just put the pin in there. Okay, there we go. Just had to adjust it very slightly so it worked. And There we go, folks. That was quite um, intuitive. Like, didn't need the instructions at all. Looks like this is going to be connect to this kind of has swivels a decent amount, and it's got some pins here as well. Looks like we're quick disconnect. Also, like let's see. So yeah, we're gonna see how well this connects, how quickly this connects to the bicycle. But yeah, it looks really nice. I want to check out the inside of this as well. Give you like a little tour of that. So this just comes right off here and off the and in the front here, and then it just folds back. It's got looks like got oh there we go. A couple little straps here for some kids, um, like full harness. So just push on. Okay. Okay, so you got to push to the side and push this down to undo those. Yeah, we'll be back. All right, we're back. So looks like this is just gonna fit on here. So all I need is a little crescent wrench here. Just this, undo this, put it on, screw it down. Let's see, we got exactly what I want. So we're gonna hold it right down. Get this nice and tight. Then we just put this on there. Put the pin in there. Just kind of wiggle it on there. It goes over like that. It's got a lanyard here. I think you could like wrap it around there once, or maybe attach it somewhere else. But that seems to make it pretty tight, so there's no way that's going to get in the spokes there. So that looks like it, folks. That was super easy. Needed two tools, just a crescent wrench and then Allen wrench set. And there we go. It's all hooked up. See if I can get this outside and maybe actually demonstrate it. So, we'll be back.